So on the losses, when we input the gambling winnings right here, if you click on the pencil, here we could have inputted the gambling losses as well, but losses are limited to the winnings, enter above. So you can only input 1050 here, or you go to the itemized deduction where we were at. So again, miscellaneous deductions. Right here, they don't want you to duplicate the losses. Okay, so right here, we could input the 1050 here as well. Okay, so the last one is the job hunting expenses. So unfortunately, since the 2018 tax reform, the job hunting expenses are no longer deductible, because that used to be under the miscellaneous deductions. So if you click on, so unreimbursed employee business expense, that's another one that's not available anymore. And the job-related travel expenses, that's also not available anymore. It's not deductible. Okay, so we are done with this return. Okay, so we're gonna go to print, and we're gonna review our work. View and print the return. Okay, so again, we're gonna go to the Form 1040. So we have the W-2, and then we also have the gambling winnings at 1050. Okay, so the standard deduction, well, it's not the standard deduction, sorry, it's the itemized deduction for Dubois. She would have received 12,200 if it's standard, right? So now it's a little bit higher than 12,200. So she's gonna itemize, and we're gonna look at the let's look at the Schedule A first. So this is the 1050, the gambling winnings on Schedule 1. You see right here, this is Schedule 1, right? And then we're gonna go down some more. And this is Schedule A. And then this is the medical expenses that we inputted. So you can see that there's a limitation, a 7.5% limitation on the medical expenses. So the deductible portion is not the 5,400, but it's reduced down to 1,649. And then we do have the state income tax here, so this is good. And then we also have the real estate taxes, the 1,150. And then we have the personal property taxes at 720. And then the home mortgage interest at 5,605. So all of those were input correctly. And then we're gonna go down some more, and we have the charitable donations, cash donations of 450. And then we have the gambling losses right here, 1050. All right, so that's how we calculate the 13,824. So this is how you check your work and to make sure everything you inputted is populated onto the return correctly. So remember, it's not what you input. It's what the forms are the ones that's transmitted to the IRS or the tax agencies. So you have to see the final product, make sure that everything on there is correct. Okay, so this is Dubois' return. Page 2, again, we have the The taxes, 4147. And then we have to pay attention to the withholdings, make sure that reconciles to the W-2, it's correct. And then so Dubois is receiving a refund of 896. Okay, so this is Dubois' return, and thank you for watching.